today we want to see if 33-inch, let's see these 33s, right? They are 33 by 12 and a half on 20-inch rims. All right, if they'll fit on a stock 2020 Silverado. All right, this is the Silverado Custom. And so it has factory 20s on here, but these are, where is it? See, 275 60s. All right, the 33s are way wider, and I'm worried it's gonna hit right here. So I think I'm gonna have to put a lift on this guy. So especially when I turn. So we're gonna put one on here and see if it fits. So on the back, I think the back is actually good. So the back you can pretty much see is like wide open. I mean, look at this. The back's not a problem. If you look, you got plenty of room on the back. Man, for whatever reason, I think they would design it different. I mean, especially for 4x4s. You would think on the 2020 Silverados, the 4-wheel drives, they would have made this so you can put a wider tire on there and be able to get the clearance you need, because they obviously know nobody's going to keep these on here. I mean, not, well, I guess some people would, but most people aren't. Most people are going to get rid of them things. So let me get a tire over here. We're going to wheel it over here real quick. I guess this one here is going to be the lucky tire. Look how wide these things are. That's my hand. I mean, that thing's huge. Oh. Whew. Don't look at that truck. Don't look at that truck. All right. So we got the tire. Let's do like a, see how I'm gonna do this. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna put them side by side without scratching my truck. Well, my wife's truck. She'll be mad. So, man, them things gonna look good on there. Let's kind of roll it up real quick. So the height is pretty much the same. And in the middle, it's a lot of room. I don't know, might not be too much of a difference. Let's see what happens. That was kind of a pain in the ass there. So the 33s, they do stick out. Maybe you can. They look good though. Ooh, yeah. That actually don't look too bad, but I'm almost nervous to turn it. So before I do this, comment down below. Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna rub? I gotta find my keys, so that's why I think it's gonna rub. Whew. Man, that maxed out my jack. I jacked that thing all the way up and it maxed out. Let's get in this truck. Oh, start it up, get that good old power steering. Come on. What we got on there now? 1,800 miles, almost 19. So quiet. That's max right there, that's all I can go. Cross your fingers. See, that's what I'm worried about. That's what I'm worried about right there. What? It doesn't rub? What? Alright, we're gonna put y'all right here while I turn it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna set, we gotta set this up right. Do this right. Need a bucket. Need a bucket, need a bucket, bucket. I got a box. My sump pump box. Boom. All right, let's turn the tire. Yep. I mean, it's like not, technically it's not touching. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but it's like right, I mean, I'm talking about like your ID barely not touching. So maybe this piece here, and I trim this off and I'll be good. I don't know. I think we should back it up down the driveway and see. That's pretty damn close. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's take a look at that right there. See, if I just trim, I could just notch this piece out to here, like boom, down, right there. And I think I'd be good then, but that's still pretty damn close. I think it's gonna rub a little, but I think we're gonna let it ride. Let me know what y'all think. Is that enough to stop the rims going on there? Comment down below if you'd still throw them bad mofos on there. All right. These are the Toyo RTs, open country. Oh. 33, 12.5, R20 LTs. Tubeless, dude. How much? 65 PSI. That's a lot of air. I think I'm gonna have to do it, guys. Y'all tell me. All right, comment down below. Put them on, don't put them on. Thumbs up, put them on. And let me know the biggest size tire you got on your Silverado or your truck, stock. Or if I should just lift the damn thing. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. All right, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Get back to you guys later. Subscribe, like, catch you on the next one.